Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the machine and signing in. Use a PIN to save time. Once signed in, make sure Windows has finished initial updates because installing them later interrupts work. Open Settings and confirm your network is active, then sync your Microsoft account so your preferences load. If a driver prompt appears, accept recommended drivers. They keep hardware stable. These first actions get Windows ready and prevent surprises when you open apps or change system settings. Now configure the parts you use every day: Start, Taskbar, and Security. Pin your top apps to Start and the taskbar so you can launch them in one click. Resize tiles for priority. Use Task View to create virtual desktops when you multitask, because that keeps projects separate and focused. Then, make sure Windows Defender and the firewall are enabled and run a quick scan to confirm no threats are present. Once done, you'll have a stable, efficient workspace. Finish by updating your apps and cleaning temporary files because that improves performance immediately. Set up file history or OneDrive to back up important folders automatically so you won't lose work. Make a restore point after major changes, then restart to apply settings. If something goes wrong, like a driver issue or no sound, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Follow advised steps and restart. If trouble persists, roll back the last update or driver to restore stability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.